quite a common problem if your car's got a few miles on the clock is and you've got DRL's daytime running lights, headlights on all the time, is the wiring can end up corroding, and that's exactly what I've had on this car. I actually fixed it last year by fitting a new connector, H7 connector, but unfortunately it's gone again. Just trying to get it off now, and I'll show you exactly what the problem is. And it's just basically from all the heat that's generated when you've got your headlamps on a regular basis. And what can happen is this. So a pretty badly burnt and scorched connector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hopefully, I mean, bearing in mind this is only a year old, the original Volvo connectors lasted 12 years. I bought this from Halfords and last year, and as you can see, I mean, it's in a right state. So what I'm going to do instead is fit some of these, which are ceramic H7 headlamp connectors. So should be very simple, just cutting off the old plug, cutting the wires down on this, splicing them together, protecting them with heat shrink, and hopefully that'll be a much longer term fix. So we'll see how it goes. Just pop the heat shrink on before. Then all I'll do is just hook and twist the two sets of wires together, black on black and white on red, and then I'll heat up the heat shrink and protect the join. So there's the joins there, just ready for the heat shrink to be pulled over. So that's the heat shrink in position now, just ready to be shrunk down. And there we go, that's it, done. So the heat shrinks work quite nicely. You can actually see the join quite clearly where the heat shrink has shrunk around it, and that should be a good solid weatherproof join now. So all it'll be then is just to plug that back in, put it back on the plug, and hopefully this will last for certainly more than a year and several years, and hopefully I won't have to come back to it. And that's how you fit ceramic H7 connectors. So I hope you find that useful, and thanks for watching.